Good morning, wow, and welcome back to another brand new ride today with Honda Big Wing Mangalore, and this time we are going towards Kalasa. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we've got close to 42 riders, which is, I think, till date the best count that we've got. And here are all the bikes. Huge lineup.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending.
So good morning, and today we are riding towards Kalasa, and Mohit has joined our ride after a long time. So last ride we went together was Goa, not Goa, I think. Which was the ride, Mohit? IVW, yes. After which we've never ridden together. Yes. Yes, ready, copied. So in total we've got 36 riders confirmed for today's ride, including Mangalore and Udupi both. So we've got around 12 riders from Udupi and rest of them from Mangalore. So here we go. So our first stop is going to be Padubidri. So we've got a couple of riders joining from Udupi. Like I mentioned, we've got about 12 riders joining at Udupi. So we'll now progress towards Udupi, not Udupi. So now we'll progress towards Padubidri. And once we reach Padubidri, I'll connect with you guys again. Here we are at Padubidri, and there are all our boys from Udupi. So we'll just take a break now, and we'll reunion. And that's all our fleet. Rush and form fill kare. So this is what our fleet looks like for the day. So here we start from Padubidri. What not the fastest? And that's our fleet. That's our fleet. Beautiful fleet. And that's our Dheeraj Bhai. Let's go. So I'll just show you another view of the entire fleet now. So time to catch up with all the boys. I have told them to lead and maintain a certain speed, and now it's going to be nice twisty and windy road. This particular stretch, I just love it. Well, a beautiful stretch, and the best part here is the roads are recently done up, so it's a very good road. So let's catch up with all the boys. That's Dheeraj for us. And here you have some nice steep turns, and now they put the speed breakers back, I believe. Earlier there was too many speed breakers, and then this place used to be one hell to ride. Now they've taken those big speed breakers, but they put these rumblers. Otherwise these were really bad. The earlier speed breakers, if you see videos which are about 2 years old, that is when you'll come to know bad. This was really bad. Now let's go catch up with everyone. But this is one of those roads which will keep you on the edge. You'll never fall asleep because there's so much twist and turn. Now you see all these undulations in the road are the rumblers which are covered. That's a group. This split up in bits because there's all kind of riders. Sometimes that's what happens. So this time big number from Udupi, big numbers. That's the best part. Here we are. So that was the entire group. A beautiful day to ride. Very pleasant weather, and always fun to ride with the Honda riders. So we have one more person joining us near Karkala, and from there we'll be going towards our breakfast joint, which is Renuka. Yeah, I know you guys would figure it by now. People who actually follow me on every ride, I just vouch by the food that you get at Renuka. It's one of the best restaurant that you can get on your way towards Kudremukh if you're going any given point of time. So that's my favorite at least, and so far I have not heard any complaint from any of the people who have come with me to that restaurant. Everybody has loved that place, and I especially get some arrangements done there, which is like exclusive buffet system for us only. And here we reach the hotel, which is Renuka. This is the hotel. All the riders also have come. So here we are. So that's Hotel Renuka. Let's give you a quick look. And yes, this is where things are organized. Namaskar, ma'am. Ready, va? Yes. Super. This is one of the best hotel you can have. This is where I come regularly.